Workflows will automatically move eligible flows to the low latency queue that offers minimal wait times and increased resource availability, providing performance enhancements and unlocking time-sensitive use cases. If you like pictures, here is another real-world graphic that explains how low latency flows work. A low latency queue is like a high occupancy vehicle lane that remains fast when regular lanes slow down with traffic. It is demo time. In this demo, I'm going to show you user registration using inline hook, a use case that was not supported or in the red zone up until now. Low latency flows unlocks this time-sensitive use case. Let's get started. I'm now logged in to my Okta demo tenant and navigated to Workflows template. In the interest of time, I've added this template and configured it to call an inline hook during the self-service registration. Now let me walk you through the setup. I'm allowing the registration from email domain okta.com in this demo. In a nutshell, this flow returns back a response to either allow or deny the user registering based on the email domain. This flow has been activated and exposed as a webhook. Inline webhook of type registration invokes the workflow we saw earlier. Now let's see the low latency flow in action. Alex is signing up using his ATCO email address. After clicking on sign up, Alex is displayed an error message that his email domain is invalid. This is the expected outcome based on the configuration I walked you through earlier. Now let's take a look at the flow history pane on the left that provides more information about this flow invoked by the registration inline hook. Here the details column displays the lightning bolt icon that indicates that this flow ran in low latency mode. Let me recap. Low latency flows provides performance enhancements and unlocks time-sensitive use cases. I just walked you through an inline hook use case that is now supported because of low latency flows. Thank you.